It was the biggest walkout for a generation. Over 2 million teachers, health workers, border protection staff, all angry with the government's demand that public service pensions be cut, the retirement age lifted.
If we're saying everyone has to take a hit, we haven't seen them mention anything about the MPs. We haven't seen them mention anything about the bankers, the ones who actually got us into this trouble. So yes, let's all take a hit together, and I think that's what it is.
The people who aren't responsible for the crisis are the people who are paying for it, and that's not fair.
Most schools were closed, parents forced to make alternative arrangements. But the predicted chaos at ports and airports like Heathrow was largely avoided, as every possible worker was drafted in to take the place of the strikers.
Police officers that are taking over did a great job. We waited virtually no time at all, like no delay, so it was actually significantly quicker than any other time we've been. I've been to the UK several times.
Hundreds of thousands of healthcare workers were out. The government says all of this was avoidable.
I don't want to see any strikes. I don't want to see schools closed. I don't want to see problems at our borders. But this government has to make responsible decisions.
Unlike him, I'm not going to demonise the dinner lady, the cleaner, the nurse. People who earn in a week what the Chancellor pays for his annual skiing holiday.
Outside a gloomy sky to match a grey economy, the thin fluoro line not tested here. But a breakaway group of Occupy London campaigners were evicted from a mining company building that they invaded in the centre of town. But for the bulk of the protesters, theirs was a message that pay freezes, job losses and pension cuts have simply gone too far.
This level of frustration is being repeated throughout Europe as countries grapple with debt and workers pay the price. Philip Williams, ABC News, London.